This channel gained more than 56,000 subscribers with just 21 videos. And the most interesting thing is, its very first video went viral. Then comes this channel, which got over 53,000 subscribers in just 29 videos. And guess what? Its first 3 videos all went viral. Look at this channel. With just 62 videos, it has crossed 500,000 subscribers. All these channels don't show their face, and some don't even use their own voice. If you're about to skip this video, stop right here, because this niche is something people don't even think about when creating a channel, simply because they don't know how such videos are made. That's why there's zero competition in this niche, and today, I'm going to give you a complete breakdown of this niche, something no one else on YouTube will tell you. You won't believe this. I've been researching this niche for over a month. Videos in this niche are in such high demand that one channel got monetized with just 4 videos, all within 1 month. You already know how hard it usually is to get monetized, because most people pick the wrong niche. So in today's video, I'll give you the complete roadmap for this niche, from branding your channel to creating videos like these. Believe me, I was going to make this a paid membership video, so don't take it lightly. Even if you search all of YouTube, you won't find a breakdown like this. That's why, in this video, I'll teach you step-by-step how to make such videos, and I'll even create a channel myself and show you the final result. So make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. Creating the channel first. We'll create the channel, but in this step, I'll show you how to choose a channel name, logo, and a banner that fits the niche. For the channel name, we'll go to ChatGPT and type, "I'm creating a channel on self-improvement, fitness, and health motivation. Suggest 10 unique and easy-to-read channel names." ChatGPT will suggest 10 names. If you don't like them, just type more and you'll get 10 new ones. I'll name my channel Rebuilt Reborn. Then I'll check on YouTube to make sure no one else has that name. And yes, no existing channel uses it. That means my channel will appear at the top of search results, which is great. Next, for the channel logo, I designed mine myself in ElevenLabs. It looks like this. You can also use ChatGPT to generate logo ideas. Then comes the YouTube banner. I asked ChatGPT to write a motivational quote using my channel's name. It did, and I highlighted the name and used it on my banner. So that's how you can get ideas for your own banner. Once we add the name, logo, and banner, our channel is ready. Step 2, channel SEO now, we'll do channel SEO, which helps YouTube know what audience our videos are for so it can recommend them properly. For SEO, we need only the channel description and keywords. You'll find the keywords in my video description. Go to your channel dashboard, settings, channel, keywords section, paste them, save. For the description, you can generate it using ChatGPT. Just tell it your channel name and niche, and it will give you a ready-made description. Once done, your channel SEO is complete. Step 3, script writing in these kinds of videos. The script must be powerful, with a strong hook, emotion, deep psychology, and relatability. That's not easy for most people, so I've trained ChatGPT, after hours of work, to generate 5 to 10-minute scripts perfectly suited for this niche. You'll find the link to my ChatGPT setup in the description, but watch the full video, or you'll miss how to access it. The process is a bit different. When you click the link, you'll see my entire conversation history with ChatGPT. I've sent it at least 10 scripts so it learned the style. Then simply type more, and it will generate a 7-8-minute script. If you don't like it, type more again for a new one. You don't even need to give a topic. ChatGPT will choose one based on the niche and write for you. But if you want to specify a topic, you can do that too. Then, just copy the script and convert it to voice. Step 4. Voiceover for voiceovers. We'll use ElevenLabs. Paste your script there, select the V2 model, and pick a deep voice character like Peter. Increase the speed slightly, then click Generate. After that, edit the voice. I've made a separate video on voice editing, link in the description. After editing, your final voice will sound like this.
किसी कमरे में घुसे हो और बिना कुछ बोले ही सबकी नजरों का केंद्र बन गए हो, लेकिन शायद ऐसा नहीं, क्योंकि तुम्हें यही सिखाया गया था। बोलने से असर होता है, लेकिन सच ये है, सबसे ज्यादा असर।
Step 5. Video editing. Imagine having a secret power that lets you control anyone's mind, their emotions, thoughts, and decisions. When you enter a room, what do people notice first? Your shoes, clothes, or face? No, they notice your walking style. In videos like these, you'll commonly see movie clips, because they make the video more aesthetic. To create this type of video, you'll need movie clips, AI or stock videos, AI images, text overlays, and some animation. You can find movie clips on certain websites listed in the original video. For AI or stock videos, use the Pinterest app. Many creators in this niche use it. To download, just search Pinterest Video Downloader on Google. Open the first link and paste the video link. For AI images, you can use Leonardo AI, which provides high-quality visuals. Once you gather all materials, match them with your voiceover. For editing, I use InShot, but you can use any app. Add a black background, then add voice, background music, and adjust volume. Next, sync clips to the voice, add text where needed, and include riser sound effects for impact. Finally, export the video. Step 6. Thumbnail before the final result. Let's make the thumbnail. Most thumbnails in this niche use a red background, an anime-style image, and bold text. Use ElevenLabs to make it, add a red background, insert text and an image that fits. For example, for a body language topic, use an image showing posture or confidence. Keep it simple. That's what works for this niche. Once the thumbnail is ready and the video is done, upload it with SEO. If you skip SEO, that's a big mistake. I have a full tutorial on video SEO, link in the description. Step 7. Final result, outro. Here's the final result example. Have you ever entered a room and become the center of attention without saying a word? Maybe not, because you were taught that speaking has power. But the truth is, silence speaks loudest. You can watch the complete video and see the channel I created in the description. Nothing is fake. I've also created a Telegram channel where I'll upload movie clips, stock videos, and AI content for you to use. The link to my special ChatGPT setup is there as well, also on my WhatsApp channel for those who don't use Telegram. So don't look for the ChatGPT link in the YouTube description, just go to the Telegram or WhatsApp. Link, that's all for this video. If you want to make AI voiceovers like mine, click on this video now.